Alright, we're busting a box of 2013 National Treasures football. This is for Ian Lunicus. Good luck, Ian. Alrighty. You can take your base off the back. You got Darius Johnson. It's 4 out of 10, gold rookie. Luke Kuechly, 27 of 99. My camera's not picking these up quicker. There you go. Kuechly. Cordero Patterson dual jersey, 59 of 99. Eric Decker, 30 of 49. Century Materials jersey. Jersey football jersey, Stedman Bailey. Alright, Hall of Fame materials, Steve Largent, numbered out of 50, 4 out of 50. Sorry about the camera. There he is. I can read his name, Steve. Colossal Pro Bowl patch, Josh Cribbs. It's number 1 out of 12. You got 4 autographs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 9-hit box here. First up, Chris Gregg. 24 out of 99. We got a timeline, Jordan Cameron. 16 out of 25. Autograph jersey. Jonathan Franklin, 65 out of 99. NFL gear. The last one is 21 out of 25 autograph patches, Manti Te'o. That's it. Thanks, Ian. Not sure I picked you the best one.